Hi, so we are going for expedition and camping towards the highest peak of Shimla, that is Chashal, and let's go.
Chanchal Pass lies at an altitude of 3,750 meters adjacent to the tallest mountain of Shimla district, which is the Chanchal Peak. It connects the villages of Dodra and Kawar with the rest of Rodu. To get here, drive down from Shimla to Rodu via Tube. From Hatkoti, you will be driving along the Pabbar River along the Rodu Valley till Chidgaon. Thereafter, you shall begin your ascent on a narrow single-lane road. As we got closer to the pass, the tree line receded and we were greeted by vast meadows. The landscape with wildflowers carpeting over the meadows, rhododendron bushes and white clouds over bright skies that floated by at eye level, and not to mention the clear and starry nights, makes it one of the all-time favorite camping spots for locals and tourists as well.
Yesterday we came here almost in the night when it was pitch dark at 8 o'clock. It was very difficult to drive, and we raised the tent here. You can see there 2 tents have been raised here. This is for 3 people, this is for 4 people. They had all cooking equipments and we cooked the food here only, and we had the food also. So we slept around 10 o'clock after having our meals, and then we went to the pass in the morning, and we have seen the sunrise from there, and it was a beautiful sunrise.
Although there is ample place for camping at the pass, we decided to camp 2 kilometers before to avoid the gusts of wind that blow over the pass. There are no dhabas, so it is advised to carry your own food and water from Rodu. The best time to camp at the pass is in the summers and post-monsoon and pre-winter months. The pass gets closed during the winters due to heavy snowfall. From the pass, travelers may also opt for an hour's hike to Sarutal, which is a spectacular alpine lake located on a hilltop. Another attraction for the trekkers here is the Rupin Pass Trek, a challenging trek that starts from Dodra and Kawar and ends in Uttarakhand. Hope you found this video useful. If you're looking for places to camp near Shimla, then Chanchal Pass is undoubtedly the best place to do so.
We are extremely very thankful to the Trucker Stoppe that he has given us that opportunity to enjoy like this. Thank you so much. This is the wonderful group we have worked with. We have come here for trekking and we enjoyed a lot.
Camping at Chanchal Pass under a million stars was truly a magical experience. We were fortunate to photograph the stunning Milky Way over a moonless night. We are happy that this trip could be planned and undertaken as an escape from our mundane lives during the pandemic.
Thank you so much,
Thank you.
Trucker Stop.